So, guys, the other thing that I'm sure all of you noticed, and certainly Twitter noticed last night, was Governor Christie standing behind Donald Trump as he gave his victory, we're going to call it victory statement / press conference. But we wanted to dig a little deeper, so we've brought in Tonya Reiman, who is a body language expert, friend of the show. Tonya, thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
All right, so Tonya, you saw the clips. I know you've seen the some of the memes that are out there. What is your take on Governor Christie on stage last night?
It's interesting. You saw a completely different Christie than you're used to seeing. So typically when we see him, he's, kind of combatant, but he's confident and he's outgoing and he's strong and he's a big gesticulator. Suddenly you see somebody who looks very meek. His shoulders are forwarded, which is an indication that he's lacking confidence.
You're looking at a guy who has changed. That's why he doesn't look the same anymore. He's made what he thinks is the best possible deal. The last 6 years have been the story of him being the CEO of New Jersey, the man in charge of his own campaign. Now he's made a deal. He's on the Trump boat now. The best deal he can make involves Donald Trump steering the thing. So he's a different guy. He's not in charge anymore.
All right. Thanks, Tonya.
Thank you. Take care.
High Speed Chase.
Hey guys, we have some disturbing new details on a story we brought you on Tuesday. Officer Vincent Harrison of the NYPD was killed in a hit-and-run accident on the New Jersey Turnpike after he got into an accident with a vehicle himself.